I'm thankful and I'm grateful. I'm thankful for a gracious and wonderful God. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for love. I'm thankful for joy. I'm thankful for a peace of mind. I'm thankful for my home. I'm thankful for my progress. I'm thankful for my people. But most of all, I'm thankful for my life. What are you thankful for?
Hey y'all, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey friend. If you're not new, welcome back, boo. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if y'all like me, because I like y'all back and we need to be locked in. And if you're not subscribed, then you're not locked in. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well to be, notified when I post a video. Today a little different. I never sat down and talked to y'all before. I know that the vlog started off a little bit strange, but make sure y'all drop in the comments what y'all is thankful for and what you're grateful for this year, because it's a lot to be grateful and thankful for this year. Take the time out to be thankful. Thank God for your blessings. Thank God for the life that you live, and being able to see another day. Honestly, being able to watch this video is a blessing, because some people didn't even get to see today. Literally every November I found myself in just such a place of reflection, a place of growth, because it's just coming from January to here, it's just so much. The person I was at the beginning of this year is not the person I am today. I've come so far, I've accomplished so much, and I'm just so proud of myself, you know what I mean? Some days I don't be giving myself the credit I deserve, and I feel like a lot of people do the same thing. Living in a life of social media, living in the ages of social media, you just feel like you behind in a way, because you just see so many people goods, and I feel like that's something that is an issue in our generation. We only see the good, but I can promise you there is bad in everybody. There's bad in everybody's life. Everybody going through something. Everybody walking around with a smile on their face, and everybody going through something. Well, majority of people are going through something, have something going on, have something they would like to fix or want to be better. But it's just almost like you just have to take a step back and just be grateful for what you do have. All that to say, y'all, make sure you being grateful. Make sure you reflecting. Make sure you are taking the time out to just be thankful for the things that are around you. Stop always wanting for more. Stop always thinking about the future, pondering on your past. Think about what's directly in front of you in the exact moment. So what I decided to do in November, because I love November, I wanted to share my love of November with y'all this year. I wanted to do something different. So what I did was I came up with VlogsGiving. Woo! I don't know if somebody already did this before. I'm not sure, but I wanted to put my own little spin on it and just put out content that I really enjoy, put out stuff that's unique to me and a reflection of who I am, because I want to share that with y'all. On the 18th, your girl turned 23. Y'all know that's the boss day. Period.
I have some plans for my birthday, y'all. I'm celebrating me, and I'm having people around me who want to celebrate me and me only. Okay,
I'm gonna plan to post either every Sunday or every Wednesday. Y'all not gonna get a post from me for every day because I do need time to edit, but y'all at least get a post from me every week. Today is Halloween. I gotta take my sister trick-or-treating right now. That's why I'm dressed actually. We finna go. But yeah, I'm gonna finish off the vlog kind of a little bit weird because this one is almost just like a realistic week in my life. I'm gonna catch up with y'all later, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so we can be locked in. We can't be locked in until you subscribe, so hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Okay, perfect. Hey. Now we can get into the rest of the video.
How old he is?
No, me and Lainey on the way to Walmart right now. We finna be on the way. You wanna say hi, Lainey? We finna be on the way to the Walmart. We'll catch up with y'all later. Y'all,
What thing we're doing first?
we're going to get my face stuff first.
And then what next?
Then we go into the food.
And then what next?
Hopefully leaving.
What?
Leaving. We're getting up out of here.
You forgot about the toy.
Oh, we can go to this toy after this.
Wait a minute, don't get more fast for you, not my heart all in it. I just wanna give it tonight, like please. Yeah, it's true, but I changed the thing for you. I see what it's doing, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do the that I give. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's dip up that I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We can stay first instead of minute. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like please, I'll tell you yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I wanna see what it's doing, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's dip up that I give. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just want.
Hey y'all, good morning. So guys, it is Saturday. It is 10 a.m. on the dot. I am currently en route to the library to vote. I tried to go vote yesterday, but no luck, simply because I went like 9 minutes late. I was at work, so I didn't really have the time. But now I'm rushing to go because I know that a lot of people probably are thinking the same thing, like, let me go vote on Saturday, because that's when people are off. And then after I vote, what I want to do is I want to go and get my car detailed before it starts to get really freezing and they can't work on the car. I'm sorry for the shade. I'm literally just going to get my car detailed after this, and then I'm going to Bath and Body Works to you know, get their little $11.95 candles, and I'm probably gonna get maybe like 3 or 4. The first thing on the list, vote. Just get up, go vote. It takes a few minutes, and every vote counts, so get the fuck up and go do it. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I'm at the detailing car place though. I'm not gonna record this, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a little bit.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up.
Just finished the car detailing, guys. Nothing much to show with that. The car is clean. We have to tell them to redo it, but at least it's clean now. On the way to Bath and Body Works right now. So yeah, I'll catch up with y'all at the stir.
Both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you? What are you so afraid of? Give what you cannot take, love.
Oh, this smells like cinnamon. Hey y'all.
What's your YouTube?
Yeah,
What's your YouTube? So I make sure I'm in there. You gotta put that clip in there.
I will. I'll show you.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up. The bitches, I don't get it. You're a star now. 2780. Shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. I love me.
Yes, please.
I love me enough for the both of us.
So we just left Bath and Body Works, and y'all, I just know how to finesse so good. Elena going out her way. My total was 66.22 to 27 something because of 3 little coupons. I'm gonna do a haul of the candles I did get when I get home, and we just stopped at Starbucks. What does your cake pop look like, Lainey?
It's a fall.
Here, show them.
I already ate them.
Oh.
That's what it looks like now.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Y'all, they didn't do a good job cleaning the car. You could feel the wax in the car inside and stuff. I had to ask them to redo it and stuff. So I don't know if I'm ever going back to that one, but it's whatever for the moment. Hey y'all, so I just got home. I'm gonna do a quick little haul of what I got from Bath and Body Works, and I'm about to tell y'all how I got my total from $66 to $27. So basically, y'all, I had 3 different coupons. I had a $10 off 35, and then I had a 25% off one, and I also had a free gift one. As the lady kept putting the coupons on, the price just reduced. So what I recommend is literally stacking up your coupons, waiting until they have a really good sale, and taking all your coupons, using them at once, so that you can get more stuff for a cheaper price. But that's just what I like to do. So yeah, let me just get into the haul of what I did get. And it's gonna be a quick one, y'all, because if you see what's next to me, I have something else to film. And you just don't have to wait till next week to see that vlog. But let's get into this. So I did get 4 full-size candles and 1 small one. So my first one that I got, this one actually I got for Lena because she said it smelled really good. So I'm gonna burn it in her room and take it from her. But this one is Winter Golden Pear. It looks like this, and I hope the camera is focusing on the candle and not my face. But yeah, it's a very beautiful gold color, and it honestly does smell like pear. It smells like a refreshing pear though. And the next one that I got was, what's this? Oh, Fresh Sparkling Snow. And actually, y'all, if I'm being honest, I went in there with a plan. And usually, like, I like to go into stores with a plan because I don't be wanting to, like, go off track and then buy a whole bunch of miscellaneous, unnecessary stuff. That's how you go in and spend too much money. So I was just re-upping on my winter ones. This one is one of my favorites. This is what the container looked like with a whole bunch of snowflakes. I mean, yeah, snowflakes and snowmen. And then the top looks like this. Okay. And this one, I can't really describe what it smells like, but I really like the way it smells when it burns. Like, it doesn't smell amazing when you're just smelling it out of here, but it smells really, really good when it's burning. Next one I got, this one is actually one of my favorite favorites. This one is called Frosted Coconut Snowfall. This is what it looks like with the snowflakes, and then the top has this beautiful lid. And this one just smells so refreshing. It has like a mature smell to it, but it still has that coconut, which I really love. The last big one I got, this one is actually a new one that I wanted to try. It's called To All a Good Night. And this one smells so good. I just hope it don't smell too sweet when I burn it, but it's just a regular blue candle, and that's the top of it. This one is actually my favorite, but I actually fell in love with this when I went to school in Bloomington, and they had the big one, and I still have today the full-size can, like the full-size container of this, but unfortunately they weren't selling the full-size one, so I used this for my free gift. This one is Snowflakes and Cashmere. Y'all, this smells so freaking good. Every time I try to get my hands on this every time I get, because it just smells so amazing. I really love this. But yeah, those are my 5 that I got. I hope y'all enjoyed the first episode of VlogsGiving. If you did enjoy, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a video, especially in November, because videos come out every single week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next vlog. Bye, y'all. Peace.